So I'm a member of IMechE, and I've actually heard about the online library, but I'm not really sure how to use it.
You can access the online library by heading to the Library and Archive tab at the top of the IMechE website. Select Search Our Library and Digital Resources from the menu, and you'll be taken to the Library Resources page with the Library search box at the top.
That's great. So I'm looking for information on clean energy. What do I do?
Type your keywords into the Library search box, then click Search. You will be taken to the results page.
Yeah, so this book looks good.
You can go straight to the ebook using the View eBook button. If you're not already logged in to your IMechE account, it will ask you to log in. These will be the same login details you use to log into the IMechE website. Then you'll see the ebook page and have the option to download the whole book as a PDF or download individual chapters.
So how long can I actually keep the ebook for?
There's no loan period for ebooks. It's yours to keep for individual use.
So I'm really interested in looking for journal articles. How do I access those?
Of course, let's head back to the results page. On the left side of the page, you can see lots of options for filtering and refining your results. Underneath material type, we can click Article to show only journal articles. Another useful filter is Publication Year. If you want recent research, you can click Last 5 years or enter a date range.
This is going to be really useful for the project I'm doing at work.
Again, you can click on the View PDF button to go straight to the article, which you can download to your device.
So I found a result that's labelled Print Book. Does that mean I have to come to the library to get it?
Not at all. If you don't live locally, we offer a postal loan service to our members in the UK and Europe. If you find a result that doesn't have a View eBook or View PDF button, that means it's an item on our shelves. Click on the title to go to the item page where you will see your access options. If you want to visit us to collect the book, you can click Pick Up from the Library, which will reserve the book for you. If you want us to post it to you, click Request Postal Loan and fill out the form. Make sure to select Postal Loan from the drop-down menu, then fill in the form with your delivery details and submit the request. The library team will then issue the book to your account and post the book out.
That is really handy. So how long can I actually hold on to the book?
The loan period is 3 weeks and the item will be automatically renewed 4 times, unless it has been requested by another member. But don't worry, you'll get an email to let you know if that happens. If you need to keep the item for longer, you can get in touch with the library team and we're happy to renew it again for you if it hasn't been requested.
How can I check the due date?
You will be emailed with the item details and due date, but you can also check all your loans in your library account.
Okay, that sounds great. So how do I return it?
Just post it back to us or drop it back in the library if you're visiting.
Thanks so much for your help. I really can't wait to get started.
No problem at all, it's what we're here for. As an IMechE member, you have access to over 70,000 online resources, as well as the 35,000 items on our shelves. If you still can't find what you're looking for, you can expand your search to other libraries worldwide. But that's another video.